I'm going to show you basic navigation in Word. Now we're going to start with your arrow keys that will move the text cursor. So if I type right, you see the cursor is moving to the right through the words complement each other, for example. If I go left, it goes left. Same if I go up and same if I go down. If you hold those keys, it will move it at a faster rate up individually, or down, or left, or right. Now, what I'm going to show you is also how you can move up and down one screen. So if I hit page up, you see it's moved up a page on the screen. So if I click page up again, it moves up another screen. Now, if I hit page down, it will take me through the document that I'm reading screen by screen. Now, let's say we're on this line and I want to go back to make an edit at the beginning of the line. I can do that by clicking home, and as you see, it goes to where themes is with the cursor just before. So if I need to type someone's name, say Ryan, for example, and this will be his bit to read, I can do that. Now, say I also need to add something at the end of the line, and say I want to change the full stop at the end of the line below to an exclamation mark. I can just hit end and it will take me to the end of that line. Now I can remove that full stop and replace it with an exclamation mark, for example. If you do want to go to the beginning of your document, you can do that by holding Control and then hitting the Home key, and that will take you all the way to the top of page 1. Now, if you want to go all the way to the end of the document, hold Control and hit the End key, and that will take you to the bottom of your document. In my case, the bottom of page 2. If you want to open the Go To dialog box, you can hit Control G, and then you can go to, for example, if you need to go to page 1 as an example, type in 1 and you hit Go To, and it will take you to that page.